students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Maths Teachers Modern English School, Kundinagar, Nevada. Students, today I am going to discuss some examples of exercise 10B. Chapter Quadrilaterals, class 9 from the mathematics books R.S. Agarwal. So students, let's start. Our first example of exercise 10B is here. Question number 12. So that the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram enclose a rectangle. So that दिखाइए कि the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram. So students, in this diagram, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. And AS is the bisector of angle A. BF is the bisector of angle B. CQ is the bisector of angle C. And DQ is the bisector of angle D. Okay. और ये सारे बाइसेक्टर्स मिलकर इंक्लोज ए रेक्टेंगल. ये यहाँ पर एक रेक्टेंगल क्रिएट हो रहा है P, एक यहाँ पर एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्रिएट हो रहा है PQRS. Here PQRS is a quadrilateral. So students, prove that कि this quadrilateral is a rectangle. Okay, this quadrilateral be a rectangle. ये जो क्वाड्रिलेटरल है वो एक रेक्टेंगल होगा. So the bisectors of the angles of a parallelogram enclose a rectangle. Okay, so let's start, students, our solution. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, and DA is a transversal. Then students, angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle A plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. So students, dividing by 2 on both sides. So angle A by 2 plus angle D by 2 equal to 90 degree. Okay, dividing 2, that is 90 degree. So half angle A equal to, we write angle DAP. Angle DAP in triangle DPA में DPA DAP, and half angle D equal to ADP. Angle ADP equal to 90 degree. So students, now in triangle PAD में angle, this angle PAD or plus angle PDA equal to 90 degree. Then we say that angle APD is 90 degree. Then angle APD equal to 90 degree, because the sum of all angles of this triangle is 180 degree. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So the sum of two angles is 90 degree. Then one is also 90. Okay. So angle APD equal to 90 degree. APD equal to 90 degree. So students, angle PSPQ. Therefore angle SPQ equal to 90 degree. वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल से. अगर ये एंगल आपका 90 डिग्री है तो ये एंगल भी क्या हो जाएगा आपका 90 डिग्री. क्लियर? ओके. सो SPQ is 90 degree. Again students, AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC, and DC is a transversal, and DC is a transversal. DC is a transversal. Okay. So angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. That is the co-interior angle. Co-interior angle. So half angle C plus half angle D equal to half angle 180 degree. That is 90 degree. Okay. So half angle C equal to QCD. QCD. Half angle C. Angle QCD or half angle D equal to QDC. Angle QDC equal to 90 degree. Okay. So the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So in triangle QCD, this angle, the sum of this angle and this angle is 90 degree. Okay. So angle DQC. Angle DQC equal to 90 degree, because the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. For students, we write the angle PQR equal to 90 degree. For PQR, DQC equal to PQR. Both are same. Triangle PQR equal to 90 degree in quadrilateral PQRS. Okay. So similarly students, angle ASB, angle PSR equal to 90 degree, and angle QRS, angle QRS equal to 90 degree. Okay. Thus PQRS is a quadrilateral in which each of whose angle is 90 degree, hence PQRF is a rectangle. Okay. Now students, second question is question number 14. Let triangle ABC and triangle DEF be two triangles given in such a way that, इस प्रकार दिया हुआ है कि AB is parallel to DE, okay, and AB equal to DE, BC is parallel to EF, okay, and BC equal to EF, Now students, first of all, join AD by the dotted line and join BE and join CF. Okay. So prove that ki AC is parallel to DF and AC equal to DF, and triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay. So let's start solution. First of all, students, AB is parallel to DE. Given AB is parallel to DE, and AB equal to DE. So AB is parallel to DE and AB equal to DE. A quadrilateral in which one pair of the opposite sides are parallel and equal, then we say that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Okay. So we write ki ABED is a parallelogram. Quadrilateral ABED, okay. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. AB is parallel to DE and AB equal to DE. So quadrilateral ABDE is a parallelogram. Okay. So therefore, student, if BE is parallel to AD is parallel to BE, AD is parallel to BE, and AD equal to BE, AD equal to B. This is equation first. Okay. जब ABCD ये पैरेललोग्राम हो गया, देन we say that other pair of the opposite sides are also parallel and equal. So this is. Now students, given कि BC is parallel to EF, BC is parallel to EF, BC is parallel to EF, and BC equal to EF, BC equal to EF. Therefore, BEFC quadrilateral BEFC is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. So therefore, students, BE is parallel to CF. BE, CF is parallel to BE. CF is parallel to BE, and CF equal to BE. Equation 2. So from equation first and 2, AD is parallel to BE and CF is parallel to BE. AD भी BE का parallel है और CF भी BE का parallel है. Then we say that कि AD is parallel to CF. Okay. So from equation 1 and 2, AD is parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF, and AD equal to CF, and AD equal to BE and CF equal to BE, then AD equal to and AD equal to CF. For students, in quadrilateral ACFD, a quadrilateral ACFD in which the AD is parallel to CF and AD equal to CF, then we say that the quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. Then we say that the quadrilateral ACFD is a parallelogram. Therefore, we write AC equal to DF. AC is parallel to DF and AC equal to DF. So first is proof of student. AC is parallel to DF and AC equal to DF. Now, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF में AB equal to DE. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, for students, AB equal to DE. AB equal to DE because ABED is a parallelogram. For properties of a parallelogram is opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to DE and BC equal to EF. BC equal to EF because BEFC is a parallelogram, then opposite sides are equal. Okay, so BC equal to EF and AC equal to DF and AC equal to DF. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram ACFD. Okay, so students, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Why the criteria? Side. Okay. Students, our next question is question number 16. 15 number questions. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD. It means AE equal to DE. Okay, E is the midpoint of AD. A line through D. D से एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया गया, ड्रॉन पैरेलल टू EB, जो कि EB के क्या है, पैरेलल है. और मिड्स ए बी जो कि ए बी पर मीट करता है प्रोड्यूस्ड एट एफ, जब ए बी को प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है एफ तक तो एफ पर मीट करता है, एंड बी सी एट एल, और बी सी को एल पे मीट करता है. ओके, प्रूव दैट कि ए एफ इक्वल टू 2dc एंड डी एफ इक्वल टू 2dl, डी एफ इक्वल टू 2dl. So let's start for students. First of all, कि EB is parallel to DL. Okay, is given EB is parallel to DL. EB is parallel to DL. EB is parallel to DL. And चूंकि ABCD is a parallelogram, then AD is parallel to BC. Okay. AD is parallel to BC. Opposite sides are parallel in a parallelogram ABCD. So students, we say that DE is also parallel to BL. Okay, so EB is parallel to DL and DE is parallel to BL. LB. DE is parallel to LB. Okay, so we say that DEBL is a parallelogram. DEBL is a parallelogram. Okay, so parallelogram DEBL is a parallelogram. Then we say that DE equal to BL, DE equal to LB or BL. Okay, so students, DE equal to half AB. Okay, because it is the midpoint of AD. So DE equal to half AD. DE equal to half AD because it is the midpoint of AD. DE equal to half AD. And we write कि BL equal to half BC. चूंकि DE equal to BL and AD equal to BC, तो BL equal to half BC. Okay, DE equal to half AD and LB equal to half BC. Then we say that BL equal to CL, then equal to CL. Okay, students, EBLD is a parallelogram. जब ये एक पैरेललोग्राम होगा तो DE जो है वो BL के पैरेलल भी होगा और DE जो है वो BL के इक्वल होगा, क्योंकि अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल इन ए पैरेललोग्राम. ओके, तो जब ये इक्वल होगा तो ये जो DE है वो AD का हाफ है, क्योंकि E द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ AD. E क्या कर रहा है? AD को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. तो ED क्या है? AD का आधा है, हाफ है. तो ED इक्वल टू हाफ AD. जब ED हाफ AD है इट मीन्स, और ED बराबर BL है तो BL भी हाफ BC होगा, क्योंकि BC और AD आपस में क्या है? इक्वल, अपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम ABCD. ओके, और जब LB हाफ BC है इट मीन्स कि BL इक्वल टू CL, ये इसके इक्वल हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ अब स्टूडेंट्स, इन ट्रायंगल DCL, in triangle DCL and in triangle DCL and triangle FBL, triangle FBL. Okay, DCL and FBL. Okay, this triangle. So CL equal to LB, CL equal to LB because L is the midpoint of BC. L is the midpoint of BC. अभी प्रूव भी किया है ना, CL equal to LB. Okay, and students, this angle equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle DLC, angle DLC equal to angle BLF, angle BLF, vertically opposite angles. Okay, angle LBF, DCL angle DCL equal to angle LBF, angle LBF, DCL this angle equal to LBF this angle, because AB is parallel to DC and BC is the transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. So this is alternate interior angles. Okay, so students, angle side angle. Okay, triangle is congruent. So triangle DCL is congruent to triangle FBL. Which criteria? Angle side angle. एंगल साइड एंगल क्राइटेरिया से दोनों ट्रायंगल्स आपस में क्या होगा? इक्वल होगा. देन अ स्टूडेंट वी सेड दैट कि DL इक्वल टू LF, DL इक्वल टू LF, DL और LF क्या होगा? आपस में इक्वल होगा. और BF इक्वल टू DC एंड DC इक्वल टू BF बाई CP. ओके, एनी प्रॉब्लम? नो प्रॉब्लम. सो फर्स्ट कि AF इक्वल टू 2DC, प्रूव दैट कि AF इक्वल टू 2DC. फॉर स्टूडेंट्स AF, फर्स्ट AF वी राइट कि AF इक्वल टू AB प्लस BF, AB प्लस BF. ओके, एंड AB इक्वल टू DC बिकॉज कि अपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल इन ए पैरेललोग्राम ABCD. तो AB इक्वल टू DC, तो AB की जगह पर हम लोग DC पुट कर सकते हैं. और BF इक्वल टू DC अभी अभी हमने क्या किया? प्रूव किया. BF इक्वल टू DC, तो BF के जगह पर भी हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? DC लिख सकते हैं. फॉर स्टूडेंट्स AF इक्वल टू 2DC, फर्स्ट इज प्रूव्ड. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट नाउ सेकंड स्टूडेंट्स DF इक्वल टू 2DL. फॉर DF इक्वल टू DL प्लस LF. वी राइट DL plus LF, and DL and LF both are equal. DL and LF both are equal by the CP. So DL and replace LF by DL. Okay, that is 2DL. For students, DF equal to 2DL. Second is 2. Okay.